The Dragon's New Channel. A game changer? China is making waves, big waves. This isn't just another infrastructure project. It's a statement of intent, a bold declaration of ambition. They're building a massive canal. A project of this scale requires not just immense resources, but also a vision for the future. The sheer size and scope of this endeavor are staggering. It's a $7.5 billion project. This kind of investment signals a serious commitment. The financial implications are enormous, and the potential returns could reshape the global economy. This isn't just about digging a ditch. It's about engineering marvels, cutting-edge technology, and meticulous planning. The coordination required is mind-boggling, involving thousands of workers and experts from various fields. It's about challenging American dominance. The Panama Canal has long been a critical artery for global trade, controlled by American interests. China's new canal aims to offer an alternative, potentially shifting the balance of power. It's about reshaping global trade. By providing a new route, China could alter the dynamics of international shipping, making it faster and more efficient. This could lead to lower costs and increased competitiveness for Chinese goods. This is China's statement. We're here. We're building the future. Experts are watching closely. Some are stunned by the audacity of the project. Others are skeptical, questioning whether it can deliver on its promises. One thing is certain, this is a bold move. The headlines are buzzing and the world is taking notice. The completed sections of the canal already showcase the potential impact. It has the potential to change everything. If successful, this canal could become a new hub for global trade, attracting ships from all over the world and creating new economic opportunities. The world is waiting to see what happens next. Will this be the game changer China hopes for? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. The stakes are incredibly high, and the world is watching with bated breath. Panama's legacy, a century of connecting the world. The Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. For over 100 years it has been a crucial artery in the body of global commerce, facilitating the movement of goods and people across vast distances. The Panama Canal is an icon. It's an engineering marvel. Constructed in the early 20th century, it was a project that required immense human effort, innovation, and determination. Thousands of workers from around the world came together to carve this passage through the Isthmus of Panama, overcoming numerous challenges and adversities. For over a century, it's been a lifeline for global trade. The canal has enabled ships to bypass the lengthy and perilous route around the southern tip of South America, drastically reducing travel time and costs. This has had a profound impact on international trade, making it more efficient and accessible. Ships once had to navigate around South America. The journey around Cape Horn was notorious for its treacherous conditions, with unpredictable weather and rough seas posing significant risks to vessels and their crews. Many ships were lost, and countless lives were endangered on this arduous route. It was a long and treacherous journey. The Panama Canal offered a safer and more direct alternative, transforming maritime navigation and opening new possibilities for global trade. The canal's strategic importance cannot be overstated, as it has played a pivotal role in shaping the modern world economy. The Panama Canal changed everything. It revolutionized the shipping industry, allowing for the faster and more efficient movement of goods between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. This, in turn, facilitated economic growth and development in countries around the world, fostering greater interconnectedness and cooperation. It connected the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It slashed travel times. The canal's ability to accommodate large vessels has made it a critical hub for international shipping, with millions of tons of cargo passing through its locks each year. This has had a ripple effect on global supply chains, enhancing the flow of goods and services. It boosted trade between nations. The Panama Canal has facilitated the exchange of goods and resources on an unprecedented scale, contributing to the economic prosperity of many countries. It has also played a key role in the globalization of markets, enabling businesses to reach new customers and expand their operations. The Panama Canal became a symbol of human ingenuity. Its construction was a monumental achievement, showcasing the power of human innovation and collaboration. The canal's success has inspired countless other infrastructure projects around the world, demonstrating what can be accomplished when people work together towards a common goal. But time waits for no canal. The world has changed. Advances in technology and shifts in global trade patterns have presented new challenges and opportunities for the Panama Canal. As the shipping industry continues to evolve, the canal must adapt to remain relevant and competitive in the 21st century. Is the Panama Canal still up to the task? The canal's ability to handle increasing traffic and larger vessels is being tested. Ongoing maintenance and upgrades are essential to ensure its continued operation and efficiency. The future of the Panama Canal will depend on its capacity to innovate and meet the demands of a rapidly changing world. The Panama Bottleneck, a 21st century challenge. The 21st century brought new challenges. Ships got bigger, trade volumes exploded, the Panama Canal started to struggle. It's like trying to fit a cruise ship through a bathtub drain. It's not pretty. The canal's limitations became clear, delays became common, costs soared. The world needed a new solution. Enter China, stage left with a bulldozer and a dream. China's grand strategy, the Belt and Road Initiative. China has a plan. It's called the Belt and Road Initiative. It's a massive infrastructure project. Think of it as a modern Silk Road. It aims to connect China with the world. The new canal is a key part of this plan. It will give China a strategic advantage. It will enhance their global influence. It's a power move, plain and simple. And the United States is taking notice. Engineering feats, digging deeper, building bigger. China's new canal is an engineering marvel. It's bigger, deeper, and more advanced than the Panama Canal. It will accommodate the largest ships in the world. We're talking megaships, the behemoths of the sea. They're using cutting-edge technology, robotics, artificial intelligence. This isn't just digging a ditch, it's a testament to China's technological prowess. A tale of two canals, capacity and impact, the numbers speak for themselves. China's new canal will dwarf the Panama Canal. It will have a greater capacity, it will handle more cargo, it will cut shipping times even further. This will have a seismic impact on global trade. Shipping routes will shift, new trade hubs will emerge. The balance of power could tip. The world is watching, holding its breath. Winners and losers, the geopolitical chessboard. In the intricate game of global trade, nations maneuver like chess pieces, each move calculated to gain an advantage. There will be winners and losers in this new era of trade. The stakes are high, and the outcomes will shape the future of international relations and economic power. China stands to gain the most. With its Belt and Road Initiative, China is investing heavily in infrastructure projects across Asia, Africa, and Europe, creating new trade routes and economic partnerships. They'll have more control over global shipping lanes. Their influence will grow as they secure key maritime choke points and establish a dominant presence in international waters. But it's not just about China. The shifting dynamics of global trade will create opportunities for other nations as well. Other countries will benefit too. Nations in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Europe are poised to capitalize on new trade routes and increased investment in their infrastructure. Countries along the new trade routes will see economic growth and increased connectivity. These developments will foster regional cooperation and open up new markets. Countries looking for alternatives to the Panama Canal are exploring new possibilities. The Suez Canal, Arctic routes, and overland corridors are becoming increasingly viable options. The United States, however, might feel a little left out. As new trade routes emerge and other nations gain prominence, the U.S. faces challenges to its traditional dominance in global trade. Their dominance is being challenged. The shifting landscape of global trade requires the U.S. to adapt and find new strategies to maintain its influence and economic power in this evolving geopolitical chessboard. Environmental concerns. Navigating a sustainable future. Mega projects like this come with risks, environmental risks. The construction will disrupt ecosystems. There are concerns about pollution. China is aware of these concerns. They claim to be using sustainable practices. They're trying to minimize the environmental impact. The world is waiting to see if they'll keep their promise. Section 9, Reshaping Global Trade. A new era begins. One thing is clear, the world is changing. China's new canal is a symbol of that change. It's a sign of China's ambition. It's a challenge to the existing order. The future of global trade is uncertain. But one thing is for sure, China's new canal will play a major role in shaping it. Buckle up, folks, it's going to be a bumpy ride. The economic ripple effect. The construction of China's new canal isn't just an engineering marvel, it's an economic catalyst. As trade routes shift, so do the fortunes of nations. Emerging markets may find new avenues for growth, while established powers will need to adapt to this evolving landscape. Pause 1s. This canal is not just a passage for ships, it's a conduit for economic transformation. The ripple effect will be felt worldwide, altering trade dynamics and redefining economic alliances. Pause 1s. As businesses and governments navigate this new terrain, one thing is certain: the economic landscape will never be the same again. Future prospects and challenges. As the world adjusts to the economic shifts brought about by China's new canal, several future prospects and challenges emerge. Pause 1s. On one hand, the canal promises to streamline global trade, reduce shipping times, and lower transportation costs, opening doors for innovation and economic growth. Pause 1s. However, this ambitious project also brings challenges: environmental concerns, geopolitical tensions, and the need for sustainable development. Pause 1s. Navigating these complexities will require international cooperation, visionary leadership, and adaptive strategies. Pause 1s. As we look towards the future, the canal stands as a symbol of both opportunity and responsibility, urging us to balance progress with sustainability. Pause 1s. The journey ahead may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: the world must come together to face these challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead.